Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clear cache on Telegram PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Telegram application on my PC, and then I'm going to go to the Telegram setting. We can click on these three lines on the top right to go to the setting, and then select the settings option, and then you're going to scroll down until you find advanced settings right here. Okay, and then you're going to go to manage local storage, and here guys you'll be able to clear cache on your Telegram. I'm just going to click on clear all. Okay, and now the cache has been removed from my Telegram. Okay, and then we can activate the auto clear cache feature on our Telegram. Here you can add the limit. For the total size limit, I'm just going to choose, for example, 500 megabyte. And then for the media cache limit, I'm just going to set it to 100 megabyte. So when we reach this limit, the cache will be automatically removed from our Telegram. And then I'm just going to click on save. Okay guys, and that's all the way to clear cache on a Telegram PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!